This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Skype voice over internet protocol that allows you to make phone calls. Without further ado, let us start the video. Okay, the first thing you have to do is go to Safari, type in Skype download Mac and click on this one, get Skype for Mac. Click that. The file is downloading. Double click on this DMG file, close out of this, go here, and now we can click this application and drag it into the applications. So we'll say it's copying, and now it's copied. Now we can go to the launch pad, and there is Skype. So we can get out of this, eject this installer package, go back into the launch pad, click on Skype, open, yes, and then you can take it from there. Close this. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.